क्या आपने कभी ऐसी इमारत देखी है जिसे पूरी दुनिया प्यार की सबसे खूबसूरत निशानी मानती हो? क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि एक शहर अपनी कहानी सिर्फ किताबों में नहीं, बल्कि अपनी दीवारों, गलियों और इतिहास में भी छुपा कर रख सकता है? तो चलिए आज आगरा की इस खूबसूरत कहानी को इंग्लिश में समझते हैं और साथ ही अपनी इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग, अंडरस्टैंडिंग और वोकैबुलरी को भी और मजबूत बनाते हैं। Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Agra, a city where history speaks through marble, culture lives in every street, and every corner tells a story. From the iconic Taj Mahal to delicious food and rich tradition, today we will talk about Agra in just some minutes. Let's begin this journey. To understand Agra, we must go back in time. Agra became important during the rule of the Mughal Empire, especially under Emperor Akbar, who made it his capital. Later, Emperor Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal in memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal, making Agra world famous. The city is also home to Agra, the majestic Agra Fort, which served as a royal residence and military base. From rulers and emperor, let's now understand where this historical city is located. Agra is located in the northern state of Uttar Pradesh on the banks of the Yamuna River. Its location made it an important center for trade and administration during ancient times. Agra experienced hot summer, cool winter, and moderate rainfall, making winter the best time to visit. Now that we know where Agra is, let's taste what Agra offers. Agra is not just about monuments; it's also a paradise for food lovers. The most famous sweet here, petha, especially from Panchi petha. You can also enjoy Mughlai dishes like biryani, kebab, and rich curries influenced by rural kitchen. Street food like chaat and kachori adds local flavor to the city. From food, let's move to the tradition that define Agra identity. Agra culture is a beautiful mix of Mughal heritage and Indian tradition. The city is known for marble inlay work, handicrafts, and leather production. Festivals like Diwali, Eid, and Taj Mahotsav are celebrated with great enthusiasm. People here speak Hindi, Urdu, and English, reflecting culture diversity. And now let's explore the palace that make Agra a global attraction. Tourism. Agra is one of the most visited tourist destinations in India. The highlights is of course the breathtaking Taj Mahal, one of the seven wonders of the world. Other must-visit palaces include Agra Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Fatehpur Sikri, a historical Mughal city, Mehtab Bagh, perfect for sunset view of Taj Mahal. This palace attract millions of visitors every year. After exploring all this, what makes Agra truly special? Let's conclude. Agra is not just a city, it's an experience of history, love, and culture. From grand monuments to delicious food and vibrant tradition, Agra has something for everyone. If you want to explore India rich heritage, Agra should definitely be on your list. Keep learning English because one day it will become your biggest strength. Start speaking today, confidence will come automatically. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and check out the full content on my YouTube channel.